Good morning, students. Today we will continue on the same chapter, that is chapter number 5, fraction. In that we have done with problem set 17, question number 1, 2 and 3. Now we'll continue with the question number 4. Okay, read.
Find an equivalent fraction with denominator 5 for each of the following fractions.
Time.
What, teacher?
Repeat one more time question.
Find an equivalent fraction with denominator 5 for each of the following fractions.
Okay, very good. Mute yourself.
Yes, teacher. Thank you, teacher.
Okay, welcome. Now here you are going to find out an equivalent fraction. Fraction, I told that where the denominator are different, but the values we are getting are equal. So you have to find out an equivalent fraction with denominator 5. यहाँ पे क्या चाहिए हमको? Denominator will be 5. And then you have to find out each of the following fraction. Clear? Now, the first question is 6 upon 15. Now see, I'll show you. Okay. Now the first one is given, that is 6 upon 15. Now here what I told, 6 upon 15 equal to dash, equal to dash. Now they told that they want, what they want? They want the denominator 5. Denominator क्या चाहिए हमको? 5 चाहिए. So you will write down 5. Denominator is what? 5. So we need to find out the upper one, the numerator. So we will write one more time 6 upon 15. Now we have to check one table. In that table, 5 times I is 15. We are going to see one table that when we multiply by with that table by 5, we are getting answer as 15. So what will be that table? I want answers in the chat box. What will be that table? When we multiply with that table, we are getting answer as 15. Very good. That number, that table will be 3. So here we will write 3. So we will divide. We will not multiply. See, if I multiply 15 by 3, 15 3 is 45. But we want our denominator 5. So that time what we will use? We will use the division. So if we divide denominator by 3, we have to divide numerator also by 3. So 3 5s are 15 and 3 how many times is 6? 3 how many times is 6? Very good. 3 2s are 6. So ये जो empty box में क्या आया है? In this empty box we are getting 2. What we are getting? We are getting 2. So if 6 upon 15 is given and they told us the denominator should be 5, so that time we have to take one table, one single table. When we multiply that table by 5, it will come 15. So that table is 3. So 3 5s are 15. So if we multiply if we divide denominator by 3, that same should be divided by the numerator. So 3 2s will be 6. In this way, you are going to find out the empty box. Now I'll explain you the second one. I'll show you afterward, then you will copy down in your notebook. Okay. Now the second was 10 upon 25. Now 10 upon 25 equal to dash upon 5. This is what we have to do in each and every sum. New denominator will be 5, so that only we have to write it down. Now the next step will be 10 upon 25. Now what we have to take one table. By that, if we multiply by become 25. So which table you will take? Yes, very good. I want more answers from the students. Yes, you will take the table of 5. See, divided. Symbol should be divided by 5. Now 5 5 is what? 5 5 we are getting answer as 25. So we will divide the numerator also by 5. Now in which times we are getting 10? In which times very good. In 5 twos yes. 5 is what? 5 twos is 10. So in this way you are going to do. See, I have explained you the question number 2 also. When the first number is bigger and they are asking for the smaller number, that time you have to do division. And when the first number, the first part is smaller and here they are giving bigger number, that time you are going to do the multiplication. Clear? Now we'll do the third part of this same sums only. The third question is 12 upon 30. 12 upon 30. चलो अपना steps क्या होना चाहिए? Equal to dash upon 5. I'll write over here 12 upon 30. Chalo, now you tell me which number I should take, which table. By getting the answer 30. Very good. Very nice. That number is very good. That number is 6. 6 5 is what? 6 5 is 30. And that same number should be divided by 12. Now what will become here in this empty box? Yes, what will come? It will come 2. It will come 2 because 6 2s is what? 6 2s is 12. 6 2s is what? 6 2s is 12. Okay. Now I'll rub and I'll ask anyone from this year. Just wait a minute. Fifth C, roll number 56. I have unmuted you.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now you are going to tell me the steps of next sum. Clear?
Teacher, 1 minute.
Okay. Okay, the next question is 6 upon 10. Chalo, now tell me what will be my next step.
Yes. Teacher, first we will write 6 and 10.
First will be 6 upon 10 equal to what will be my next step?
Then
equal to dash upon 5. Yes?
yes.
Okay. अभी इसके बाद का बताओ आप.
First you will write 6 and 10 here.
Okay. 6 upon 10 I will write. Okay. Now what table? Which table I will use?
2.
Very good. So here I will write multiply or division.
Division.
What?
Division.
Okay, just wait a minute. I will write over here division. By which table?
2.
Okay. ऊपर क्या लिखूंगी 6 के साथ?
2.
Okay. Divided by 2. Okay. Now in this box, what answer will come? Yes.
Teacher, 3.
2 3s are 6. Very good. That means you have understood how to do equivalent fraction when the denominator is 5. Okay, mute yourself, beta.
Yes.
Okay. Now the last question I'm going to give you people, you will write down in the notebook and you're going to give me the answers in the chat box. The last part is 21 upon 35. Chalo, start doing in your notebook. And I want answers of this question. Everyone do these sums in their notebook. 21 upon 35. And I want to know who is giving me the first answer. It will hardly take 30 seconds. Not more than that 30 seconds I am going to give you. Roll number 57 of 5th C. I have unmuted you.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now you tell me the steps.
Yes, teacher. Step 1 is equal to dash is equal to dash.
Is equal to dash is equal to dash. Okay, next.
Teacher, then 21 upon 35.
21 upon 35. Here.
Teacher, then
Bolo.
and teacher, then take sign of division.
Sign of division. Okay. Next.
And take number 7.
7 table. Very good. 7 5 is 35 and 7.
7 3s are 21.
Very good. 7 3s are 21. Very nice, beta. Mute yourself.
Yes, teacher. Thank you, teacher.
Okay, that means you people have understood.
Yes.
Everyone copy down in your notebook. I'll show you the slide. All the sums we have done now. Chalo, now see. Copy down in your notebook fast. Only 1 minute for doing all that part. All that different part I have written over here only. You can copy down it. So you can identify this. Whenever we have divided, we got answer as 2 upon 5, 2 upon 5 only. See, so that's why we have made the fraction equal. 2 upon 5, dekho. Values are different. Numerator and denominator were different. Ek tha 6 upon 15, then tha 10 upon 15, 1 upon 30, 6 upon 10, 21 upon 35. But when by that things we get an equivalent fraction that is 2 upon 5. सब में मुझे क्या मिला 2 upon 5 only. So in this way, when numerator and denominator are different, then also we are getting the value same. That is only called as equivalent fraction. Copy down fast in your notebook. Okay, the next slide also. We have done this also. Okay, the next question is question number 4. from the fraction given below pairs the equivalent fraction. Now we can see over here in this question. Just wait a minute. See what is the question over here. In this question it is given the following fractions are given below. You are going to make the pairs of equivalent fraction. Pairs means हमको जोड़ियां बनाना है. Pairs of equivalent fraction. There are different fraction giver. हमको equivalent fraction जिसके आंसर same आते हैं वो हमको ढूंढ के लिखना है. वो हमको क्या करना है? We have to make a pair of that both the fraction. Now first it is given 2 upon 3, then 5 upon 7, then 5 upon 11, 7 upon 9, 14 upon 18, 15 upon 33, 18 upon 27 and 10 upon 14. There are total how many numbers given here? Just count and tell me how many fractions are given. Very good. There are total 8 fractions are given. तो इसके pairs कितने बनेंगे? How many pairs will make? अगर 8 fraction है तो कितना जोड़ी बनेंगे? Very good. There will be 4 pairs. 4 जोड़ी बनेंगे because there are total 8 pairs means 1 plus 1. So there will be how many pairs? There will be 4 pairs. Now we'll see first that is 2 upon 3. Now 2 upon 3 का जोड़ी कौन सा है वो हमको ढूंढना है. हमको find out करना है 2 upon 3 का pair कौन सा है. So we'll start doing first part that is 2 upon 3. See here. If I write 2 upon 3. Now if I choose this 7 upon 9. 7 upon 9. It won't be a pair because in 3 table 3 3s is 9. But if we multiply this by 3, 2 3s we are getting answer 6. So is this matching? No. Is this not matching? So we won't take this 7 upon 9. So we have to search which will match 2 upon 3. जिसका equivalent fraction जो same value दिखाएगा. Now if I take 7 upon 9, that is also not matching. Now you tell me which number I should take. कौन सा fraction लेना है for making the pair same? Yes, very good. More answer आएगा. 2 upon 3 के साथ मुझे कौन सा लेना है pair? Okay. It will be 18 upon 27. Wait, I'll show you how. See here, 2 upon 3. It is 2 upon 3. And uska pair I have taken that is 18 upon 27. How I have taken that? That I will show you. How? See, 2 upon 3. Now in this table 27, in 3 table 27 is coming how many times? 27 is coming how many times in 3 table? Very good. 3. Yes, 3 9s are 27. So if I multiply 3 by 9, I have to multiply 2 by 9 also. 2 को मुझे 9 से भी multiply करना है. तो 2 9s is what? 2 9s is 18 and 3 9s is 27. So the pair of 2 upon 3. See 18 upon 27. These both are going by the table of 9. 9 2s are 18 and 9 3s are 27. So हमको क्या मिला? 2 upon 3. That means the pair of 2 upon 3 is, the pair of 2 upon 3 is what? Now 18 upon 27. So ये हमको जोड़ी मिली. See, I have made the color also same. This is the pair. Now second is 5 upon 7. 5 upon 7 का pair क्या है? It is already given 10 upon 14. But how it came? How it came? 7 should multiply by which number to get 14? Very nice. 7 should multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. So 5 को भी मुझे multiply करना है 2 से. So 5 2s is 10 and 7 2s is 14. So the pair of 5 upon 7 is what? The pair of 5 upon 7 is 10 upon 14. What is the pair of 5 upon 7? 10 upon 14. In this same way, we have to do the next, that is 5 upon 11. 5 upon 11 का pair मैंने क्या निकाला है? 15 upon 33. But how it came? See, 5 upon 11 equal to 15 upon 33. Now in 11 table, 11 3s is 33 and 5 3s is 15. So we got the pair, that is 5 upon 11 and 15 upon 33. The same way 7 upon 9 and 14 upon 18. Now 7 के table में how many times is 18? 7 table, how many times is 18? Very good. 9 2s is 18 and 7 2s is 14. So here 7 upon 9 is having a pair of 14 upon 18. Having the pair of 14 upon 18. Clear? So in this way you are going to find out the pairs of the equivalent fraction. You are going to find out the pair of the equivalent fraction. So we'll stop over here only, and in our next lecture I'll explain you what is the next types of fraction, that is like fraction and unlike fraction. Now note down the homework. Everyone will note down the homework. We'll stop over here.